This is the ash tree that needs to come down. It is infected by the boring beetle, emerald boring beetle, and it's got several dead limbs, and it's hanging over the back of the house so that we don't have storm damage like my neighbor did. And then out front we have the black maple, which is too close to the house. That needs to come down too. It's hanging over the front of the house, as you can see. And it's so close to the house, it could actually grow into the house. We had storm damage from a Derico that blew right through this driveway and took down limbs off of the neighbor's tree. And this is why I'm clearing up my hazardous trees before they hurt someone who lives in this house. I'm mostly concerned with safety, and it would demolish the structure, at which time insurance would pay. I'm mostly concerned with our safety, like I said. Out back we have the black maple. This was hit by the Derico, and it has a dangerous limb split right there. It's about, the area where it's split is a good 30 feet up, and it's just hanging there, and that's a hazard. It could fall on somebody.